I'm going to teach you how to make stunning thumbnails for your Fortnite creative maps. This can be done by anybody. All you need is a free ChatGPT account and internet access, which you obviously have because you're on this video. So for example's sake, we're going to go ahead and just type in horror. We will be stealing. If you don't like stealing, you're a good person. But I don't mind taking somebody's thumbnail, making it my own. So let's go ahead and find a thumbnail that I like. So it's Blind, fantastic horror creator. He always has good thumbnails. Let's go ahead and take this thumbnail, right? So we're going to go ahead and save the picture, or we can just copy it and paste that into ChatGPT. Next up, we want to make this our own. So if we have our own picture that we want to add in, we do that. I'm going to go ahead and just mix two people's thumbnails together. So let me just type in fish into maps. This is all for example's sake. Keep following the tutorial. Okay, what you could do is add your model in, add a screenshot of your model. Instead, I'm just gonna tell him to use fish stick because ChatGPT understands what fish stick is. So I like this thumbnail. You don't even need to write this part. Typically, you just be copying and pasting it, but I'm gonna write, I like this thumbnail. Can you recreate it in a 19:16 ratio, aka 1920 by 1080? I want the same style and vibe. You can copy this word for word. I like this thumbnail. Can you recreate it in a 19:16 ratio, aka 1920 by 1080? I want the same style and vibe, but replace the character with fish stick. The character. Now, if it doesn't listen here, we'll give it a picture of fish stick that we want to use. But this is essentially always going to work, near enough. I can rate a thumbnail in the sense that it's yes. Yes, please. Can you change the text also so it says tutorial? Now it's going to get loaded in here. But obviously, if you have a different character, you just put in the screenshot right there. Or you can just go ahead and find a fish stick image and you'd paste that in instead of writing a fish stick image. So, for example, just copy one of these pictures in, get your fish sticks in there. Let's see how it's looking. It does need some time. I'm not going to speed up this part. I want your view time. Do you know what else I want? I want you to join my course. Top link in the description. It'll get you to making your first ever Fortnite map. So that's a good investment of time too. Otherwise, we can just watch this load together. Look really good today, by the way, just so you know. Is that new hair? Damn, that really suits you. Oh no, your dog's that old now. No way. Our picture's halfway loaded. As we can see, it looks really good. But one thing I would say, usually just make your own text, because often text on ChatGPT just is terrible. But this one is really cool, as you can see. It all matters what your base image is and what you told ChatGPT. If you just start without an image, it will look terrible. So use this method to ethically steal everybody's thumbnails. And let's see no more original thumbnails on Creative. Subscribe and click on the link, first link in the description.